Yes, my people, Chef Delly's in the kitchen again today. Guess what? I'm gonna make some pepper steak today with my twist. That's some Caribbean flavor. Not much different spice. My Caribbean spices. Very simple. Here I have my garlic here, and my onion, my ginger, my thyme, my scallion, my carrot, my green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper. And here my beautiful steak strip here. Wow, fresh. I mean, we really can't forget the fresher than that. And over here, I have a little flour. I go and some pimento. Freshly grown pimento, just ground it over myself. Salt over there, soy sauce, oyster sauce. And over here, it's garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and paprika. And I got some oyster sauce here and soy sauce. Just not too much, my people. So this is all my ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna start prepare the seasoning for the beef strip. And here like my skillet is ready, preheating. So I'm gonna do my beef strip first. 2 minutes, take it out. Then I start all my ingredients here, my people. Chef Delly will be right. Yes, my peeps. So what I'm gonna do, use the black pepper, paprika, some garlic and onion powder, fresh ground pimento, 2 tablespoons of flour, have a teaspoon of salt, because I'm going to have this sauce here. Okay, that's it. I'm going to crank my heat up. Here's my peeps. I feel so proud of these fresh vegetables. The ginger is so, you could smell the fragrance of this ginger. Oh my god. The color alone for the ginger, I'm telling you. But this is really Caribbean ginger. I search and I get eventually get my Caribbean ginger. But you see, I go so much with some big bulk one. These come from China, these come from all over the world. But the small little one, them, this is small. It don't want to have the size of turmeric. But it's so yellow and you can smell the aroma from that ginger. Wow. Anyway, yes. I've done some rice. The rice out of the fish cooked already. You've seen some brown rice. Most likely when you do all this, you can put whatever rice you want. But some people would have put white rice. But white with some other orange beans, you know. And then try to get away from that. Very good, like brown rice. have to protect my battle, you know. She's doing so good right now. I've not really very, very good with that, very impressed. This is what's coming from tablets for insulin. You know insulin now? Wow. That's wonderful. So while that's going on there now,